I think I'm going to do another cut crease because I really liked what I did last time. I'm going to go in with this product. This is my second time using this stuff. I really like it actually. Then I'm doing the same on the other side. Now I'm going in with this shade here, and then I'm going to go in with this shade. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with this darker shade, and I'm just going to sharpen up my crease. I reckon these two shades will go really well together. I can already tell. And then I'm going to try like elongate that part there of my eye just to try to extend it. And it doesn't matter that this here isn't perfect because we're going to be going in with foundation anyway and covering it. Now I'm going to go in with this Stila primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. The stuff goes quite far as well, you only need a little bit. Unless you've got quite dry skin, it will soak it up pretty quickly. I'm just going to pop it right here. And then I'm going to put a really intense colour on. I don't want to do like a total cut crease. I'm kind of doing like a halo effect. And I just want to put a real intense colour right there. And on this side too. This is really good because the eyeshadow just sticks down like straight away. Now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Geek eyeshadow, and it's in Gleam. Whoa, that's so intense. I love that. I love this foundation. It's the perfect colour for my fake tan. I've been real into TikTok, eh? It's so cool. Like I love watching, like I sit there for ages. It's so bad because it's so addictive. And now I'm going in with the Pro Longwear Matte Concealer. I'm just popping that under my scar. Now I'm going to go in with the Mercier powder, translucent powder, and I'm just going to bake under my eyes. Just baking under there. And now I'm going to go in with the NC30 MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just going to apply that to the rest of my face where I didn't bake. Really tell the difference with this powder, like it really sets the foundation in place. I really like it. I've used it for years. Now I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer. I love this stuff. I'm going to apply it just down my jawline as well. And it really carves out your jawline too, which I love. I actually like the other brush to do that better. I feel like it just disperses the product more, rather than just one line down your face. Yeah, that's so much better. For blush, I'm going to use this Milani blush. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of blush on because I've already put quite a lot of bronzer on. I always say that though, and then I get carried away. Oh my god, these pains in my tummies are so sore. I just got the Marina put in, and oh my god, it hurts. And now I'm going to go in with Soft Gentle. This is a MAC highlighter. It's really nice, but it's not my favourite one. The Mary Luminizer one is my favourite. Oh, I do like that though. It's pretty. And now I'm going to use this Supernova lipstick. And they're really creamy. Like, you can see how creamy that is. I think I'll go in with Velvet TD and just like apply a little bit just to darken it. So now I've used 3 lipsticks. It's not extreme at all, is it? Yeah, I just need to darken them up, I think. And this is the final makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time.